studying import-export at Lime Institute was one hell of an experience. It was phenomenal in a lot of ways. I'd say starting from scratch, like novices like myself, who didn't know anything about import-export, and it was a thing for the elite. I would say that Lime broken it down to such an ingestible quantum that it became easy for a lot of us. I guess I'm speaking for everybody present here, that it was broken down to such a digestible quantum, I'd say, that import-export is no longer a thing for the elite, and no longer something that we dream of. It's something that we can do in our daily lives, apart from earning and working wherever we currently are. And I'd like to present my heartfelt gratitude to the staff and people who work at Lime tirelessly day and night for making it possible for us. And what else? Yeah, I'll try to be of service to Lime whenever I can, because I'm grateful for this, and